Now I know I got a lot of stuff here to still do, but I'm just going to work on one thing at a time. I'm only going to concentrate on this. I'm only going to concentrate on that, and then move over and start working on the next and the next and the next. All right? You can do it. And this is what you're going to get with 25-year-old landscaping. Look at this. Look at this piece, will you? It's a big long root from the tree there, went right along there. I had to chop that out, and I had to chop out a few other big old monsters. Look at that one there, and look at that, all that stuff, because it was right in the way for this one here. Okay. And I only went down about 3 inches or so, and hopefully these don't grow back and go over it and smash them and stuff like that, but I don't really think it's going to, and I'm crossing my fingers with that. And you know, all I can do is the best I can do. If she was gonna put the bark on, like, in the next month, I could have ran everything just on the top and then put the cloth down, put 4 inches of bark on there and be done with it. But as it is, who knows when that's going to get done? You see what I mean? That's why I'm going the extra mile to do this, and I'm just going to stick with it.